Azam, did you notice that we have been working on Tsunami Ready for our community for almost a year now?
Yeah, time flies and it's been a real journey for me.
Indeed, we now have all the 12 indicators ready and well documented. I've been thinking, it's time for us to ask for national recognition that Nami Village is now Tsunami Ready.
And international recognition.
How do we do this?
Let's ask Mr. Subrata and Mrs. Yarbina about this. Let me see if they can meet and help us on this. Good morning, Mr. Subrata. I'm very happy that the National Warning Center is always responsive to our request. Mrs. Yarbina from the local disaster management office will join our video call in a few seconds.
Greetings to all of you in Nami Village and to you, Mr. Sabrata.
Hi, good to see everybody here. How can we help you, Azam?
Sir and ma'am, as you know, we have met the 12 indicators. Everything is well documented, and we are implementing the activities as prescribed for the indicators. We're now wondering how we can get the national recognition for Nami Village as a tsunami-ready community.
And international recognition.
That's great. Is it okay if I start, Miss Yarbina?
Yes, please. I will add if there's anything more to add.
For international recognition, it will be recognized by UNESCO IOC. However, before that, the community needs to be first recognized nationally. Our country has already established the National Tsunami Ready Board that can help in processing, reviewing, and giving national recognition.
What is this National Tsunami Ready Board, sir?
Each country has different settings for their National Tsunami Ready Board. In our country, the board consists of representatives of the National Tsunami Warning Center, the National Disaster Management Office, and the local disaster management office of the tsunami-prone areas. In addition, we also have representatives who are tsunami experts from academia and non-governmental organizations, such as the Red Cross. Ms. Yarbina is one of the members of our National Tsunami Ready Board.
Yes, I'm a member. Our duties as members of this board, among others, are to advocate the implementation of Tsunami Ready in our country, to manage applications, review, evaluate, and grant national recognition of a tsunami-ready community. We also monitor the sustainability of the already recognized community. And of course, we liaise and work with UNESCO IOC on the request for the international recognition.
So, for the national and the UNESCO IOC recognition, we only have to submit a request to the National Tsunami Ready Board?
In the case of our country, yes. The National Tsunami Warning Center is the head of this board. We have an application form and checklist that you must fill out. You must also attach all documents and proof all activities, results, and/or products of each indicator. Send them to our office. You can address them to me.
We have a regular meeting scheduled to review the recognition request. If needed, there will be a team from the board to do a field verification. If everything is okay, then the national board can grant the national recognition.
Yes. Once you have the national recognition, we will process the request and send it to the Secretariat of the Intergovernmental Coordination Group of Tsunami Warning System and the Tsunami Information Center of UNESCO IOC for the international recognition. We will submit the application form, checklist, as well as all documents for them to review and assess. If needed, there can also be verification process. If the request is granted and your community is recognized as an UNESCO IOC Tsunami Ready community, you will be permitted to put the UNESCO IOC Tsunami Ready signs in your community. You will also get the certificate of recognition and appreciation, and your village will be included in the UNESCO IOC Tsunami Ready Global Map.
Wow, that would be interesting. So people from all over the world can see that our Nami Village is tsunami ready?
Yes, there are advantages to being recognized internationally. People will especially have more trust and confidence to visit Nami Village if they know that you are tsunami ready.
But remember, as I mentioned the first time we met, to be recognized as a tsunami-ready community, you also have the responsibility to manage and maintain the level of preparedness based on the 12 indicators. The recognition is only valid for 4 years, and you have to submit annual reports on your activities. If your community can't maintain the required level of preparedness, then both recognitions, national, and UNESCO IOC will be revoked.
Yes, sir, ma'am. I'm sure we can do this. We'll prepare all the forms, checklist, prepare all documents, and send them to you next week. We then hope everything will be okay and we can be nationally and internationally recognized.
Azam, Aziza, Adam, and all our disaster risk reduction community members. I am very proud of all your hard work. Our community is now recognized as a Tsunami Ready community. We never know when a tsunami will strike, so it is our responsibility to maintain this achievement and sustain our level of preparedness.